Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to turn off post views on TikTok. Let's dive right in. So, if you're using TikTok and want to check out other users' posts without them knowing, you've come to the right place. Here's how to do it. First, open the TikTok app on your device and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the hamburger icon. Tap on it to access the menu. In the menu that appears, select the last option, Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see the Privacy section. Tap on it to access your privacy settings. Scroll down again and you'll find the option for Post View History. Tap on that. You'll see that my Post View History is currently turned on. To disable it, simply toggle it off. And there you go. Now, when you view other users' posts, they won't be able to see that you've checked them out. Plus, you can also keep track of who has viewed your posts without worrying about others seeing your activity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.